Welcome to this section on Introduction to Amazon Q. Amazon Q is an interactive Gen AI powered assistant designed to transform how businesses interact with data, code, and operations. So let's explore how Amazon Q can uh, improve your productivity or your organization's productivity across multiple domains, from business intelligence to software development and customer service. So Q is designed to integrate seamlessly with your organization's information repositories, code bases, and operational systems. This unique design of Amazon Q allows it to engage in contextual conversations, deliver insightful solutions, and perform actions that align with your organization's goals. So, what is Amazon Q? Amazon Q is more than just a virtual assistant, okay? It's a suite of AI powered tools which are intentionally designed to simplify complex tasks, streamline operations, and boost creativity within your organization. The suite can be categorized into five specialized services. Okay, so Amazon Q for business and Amazon developers, and then Amazon Q in QuickSight and Connect and AWS supply chain. Each service targets a specific operational need, ranging from improving employee productivity to optimizing supply chain management with AI insights. So Amazon Q Business is designed to elevate employee productivity by providing them access to enterprise data for enhanced decision making and collaboration. As you know, and I've been saying this quite some time, that look, every organization, small, medium, or large, they all have data. They all have valuable asset. They it's hard to get to them because some of it could be an Excel sheet, maybe some in SQL server somewhere, some in a SaaS application somewhere, right? So there is no dearth of data, so to speak. But how do you normalize it? How do you bring it all together? How do you stop making decision on all that data? So this Amazon Q for Business is kind of an answer for that. So key features of Amazon Q for Business, and right. So Amazon Q integrates with like over 40 platforms such as SharePoint, Confluence, and Salesforce, providing a centralized search hub. So that gives it a unified search experience. Okay, and Q, you can perform comparative analysis across documents and gain data-driven insight to help your team make faster, better decisions. Now, that's insight extraction that you could very easily, that you could achieve by deploying Amazon Q. Summarization, right? So Q generates summaries of large reports and documents, saving times for employees, right, needing high-level insights. On top of that, it also creates content. So content creation, accelerate your content development for marketing, sales, and engineering teams using AI-generated drafts and templates. So what are the benefits of it? Okay, so security and privacy. Amazon Q offers secure data handling with customizable guardrails. So the guardrails that are available in Q are amazing. When we look at it, you'll see. And there are pre-built connectors. There are supports for 40 plus enterprise applications, so you can easily integrate with them. Imagine a scenario where an employee needs a summary of multiple sales report, right? Or wants to compare product performance. Amazon Q simplifies this process. It can offer instant relevant data analysis. Moving on to Amazon Q for developers, okay? So Amazon Q for Developer basically accelerates the software development lifecycle using generative AI capabilities tailored to AWS environment. It can assist with research and coding. So understand AWS services and generate code snippets and full functions based on user queries, right? So you could do that. So uh, you can do debugging and testing, right? So I can identify bugs and provide a step-by-step debugging recommendations. And what is also, code refactoring. So you can optimize and refactor code with minimal manual intervention. So what are the key capabilities, all right? So IDE integration. So it works directly in your development environment, including AWS Toolkit for IDEs. Okay. Code transformation. So update code bases with minimal effort with ensuring security best practices. So example use case would be a developer working on an AWS Lambda function can query Amazon Q developer directly within the IDE for code snippets or troubleshooting help. Isn't that cool? Very cool. By the way, just a personal note here. Uh, I have difficulty saying develop or developer, and my kids have made fun of me all my life. So I'm very conscious. So when I say developer, I mean developer. All right. All right. Moving on to quick insights. So Amazon Q and QuickSight takes business intelligence completely to a new level, right? It integrates with generative BI capabilities, right? So this service enhances decision making by offering natural language driven insights and visualizations, right? So natural language key features would be natural language dashboard. You can build and modify dashboards using simple language prompts. Like I need to see sales from territory XYZ from August 15th to August 19th, right? It's that kind of a natural language conversation you could have. You could create executive summaries, right? It automatically generates summaries for complex data sets. So you don't have to be explaining everything to everybody, especially, if you want to report up the management chain. Oh, and data storytelling. So interactive data visualizations with contextual narrative and insight generation. Oh, Q and Insight. Q in QuickSight would really impress you there. Okay. So what are the benefits? So it simplifies complex data interpretation. It maintains governance and security while personalizing insights, right? So think of a business analyst. A business analyst can ask Amazon Q, what are the top performing products last quarter? And instantly receive a graphical dashboard with key metrics. So Amazon Q in Connect. Amazon Q in Connect empowers you customer service agents by providing real-time assistance during customer interactions. So real-time support, okay? It offers guidance based on ongoing conversation. So you can be chatting with a customer and you can or you can talking to a customer and you will get guidance based on that, right? So natural language understanding, so it detects the customer intent and provides suggested response. So, you can determine, hey, if the customer sentiment is negative, what kind of how you need to handle them versus if somebody is looking for a new product versus someone is trying to cancel, right? And knowledge interaction. It pulls information from companies' databases for contextual help. Okay, so you can restrict it to your own company's data, so you're not going all over the internet searching for things, right? Uh, it reduces training time for new agents, right? And enhances customer satisfaction with accurate responses. So think of an example would be a new customer support agent is struggling with a complex refund issue can use Amazon Q for immediate guidance on company policies and next steps, right? So they can give them their answer. Yeah, it hasn't been more than 14 days. So yeah, you will get your refund. Kindly return your package here and there. Whatever the refund policies are, right? So that agent will be able to resolve that issue and they will feel good about themselves. It will give them confidence. It will make their life easier. It will help them, it will make them like their jobs better. Okay. So AWS supply chain is upcoming, all right? So you'll not see it in the exam, but I just wanted to throw it in here anyway. Amazon Q and AWS supply chain will assist inventory managers and planners by providing real-time insights into supply chain health and operations. And now this is going to be amazing because you can imagine, right? I mean, Amazon history of logistics and management of supply chain is amazing, right? I mean, they're best to none. I mean, they are the best, of course, right? So they have used their deep learning, their machine learning techniques, all of that knowledge that was gained from it. Now what they're will be delivering Amazon Q in AWS supply chain, which key features are predictive insights. You can identify trends and risk with supply chains. You can say, hey, you know what, this deodorant is selling a lot or is going off the shelf. We need to fill it up, right? Or I have, oh, there is a thunderstorm in the East Coast, so my delivery to the stores in East Coast is at risk, right? It can also help you with the scenario planning, like test various strategies and view outcome projections, which is very cool to watch. Okay, so benefits: it prevents stock shortages and overages. Of course, you're managing your stock to the requirement, and improves operational efficiency with data-driven insights. Use case: a logistics manager can ask Amazon Q for overview of potential shipment delays and get proactive recommendation for rerouting supplies. Think about that, and that's amazing. So Amazon Q in AWS supply chain will be a game changer for Amazon Q completely, right? It's going to give them a lot more a lot more understanding. My recommendation to you would be to jump right in on your AWS console. Search for Amazon Q, click on that, initiate it, right? Uh, Stop playing around with it. Okay. So, in summary, Amazon Q is a versatile AI-powered solution designed to transform how businesses interact with data, software, and customer engagement. So, what did we learn? We learned, that from boosting employee productivity with Amazon Q Business to streamlining development processes with Amazon Q Developer, this suite offers tools for nearly every operational area, right? So let's recap it. Amazon Q Business boosts enterprise productivity through intelligent search and data analysis. I would say remember these. Okay, Amazon Q Developer accelerates the software development life cycle with code generation and debugging, right? Amazon Q in QuickSight enhances data storytelling and BI insights. Amazon Q in Connect transforms customer service through real-time AI assistance. And Amazon Q in AWS supply chain, which is coming soon for a smarter, totally out of this world inventory management. So thank you for joining this lecture on Amazon Q. I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.